Today I'm sharing how to make your own energy bites using the pulp from almond milk. I like to save the almond pulp left over for making almond milk, and then I use that as the base for my energy balls. I'm going to add 1 cup almond pulp to a food processor. I'm going to add 12 pitted medjool dates. Half cup shredded coconut, tablespoon of chia seeds, 1/3 cup coconut oil, 1/3 cup cacao powder. I'm gonna blend it.
Sorry, sweetie.
Take a look. Smells divine. Transfer this to a bowl. To add about 1/3 cup of dried coconut to a plate, spread it out. Now we're going to roll these into tablespoon sized balls, and we're going to coat them in the coconut. And that is your little date ball. You're just going to pop these in the freezer to let them chill for about an hour. An hour later, these are ready. Transfer them into a bowl. Ta-da! Delicious. And I like to just keep these in the fridge.